Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play online in Call of Duty Cold War. First, make sure your gaming system is connected to a stable internet connection. Console players will also need an active online subscription, like PlayStation Plus or Xbox Live Gold, to access multiplayer features. Once connected, simply launch the game and head straight to the multiplayer section from the main menu. It's a straightforward process to jump into the action. After entering the multiplayer menu, you'll find a wide array of game modes available. You can choose from classic options like Team Deathmatch, where the goal is to eliminate opponents, or objective-based modes such as Domination, which requires capturing and holding points. Take a moment to browse and select a mode that best suits your preferred style of play. There are always plenty of options to keep things fresh. Before diving into a match, it's crucial to set up your loadout. Head over to the Create a Class section. Here, you can choose your primary and secondary weapons, add up to 8 attachments to each, and select perks that enhance your abilities. Don't forget your lethal and tactical equipment. Experiment with different combinations to find what works best for your playstyle. You can save several custom loadouts for quick switching. Once your loadout is ready, simply select Quick Play to be matched with other players. If you're playing with friends, invite them to your party before searching for a game. Effective communication is key. Use voice chat or the in-game ping system to coordinate with your team. Remember, focusing on objectives and working together will significantly increase your chances of victory. Have fun out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.